Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 588GB and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Eagle OC. While the RX 580 has been a staple in budget gaming, the RTX 5070 represents the cutting edge of graphics technology. We'll explore their specifications, performance in gaming, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The SHOWKINGS RX 580 is priced at an incredibly accessible $119, making it a fantastic option for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 comes with a hefty price tag of $609, reflecting its advanced technology and performance capabilities. This stark difference highlights the RX 580's appeal to entry-level users, while positioning the RTX 5070 as a choice for serious gamers and professionals who demand the best. When it comes to performance, the SHOWKINGS RX 580 excels in 1080p gaming, offering reliable frame rates in esports titles and older AAA games. However, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 is designed for high-end gaming, capable of delivering exceptional performance at 1440p and even entry-level 4K gaming. This makes the RTX 5070 a powerhouse for gamers looking for high refresh rates and stunning visuals. The SHOWKINGS RX 580 lacks modern features such as ray tracing and DLSS, which are becoming increasingly important in today's gaming landscape. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 supports these advanced technologies, allowing for enhanced graphics and performance in compatible games. This technological edge makes the RTX 5070 a future-proof investment for gamers who want to stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, the SHOWKINGS RX 580 is an excellent choice for budget gamers who want decent performance without breaking the bank. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 is a premium option for those who demand the latest technology and superior gaming experiences. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.